Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at a USB charger receptacle and let's get to it. Now this dual port USB charger receptacle is tamper resistant and compatible with a wide range of electronic devices including iPads, iPad minis, iPhones, iPods, tablets, mobile phones, Galaxies, Bluetooth headsets, and all kinds of other USB devices, okay? Now, if the device that you're going to plug in, if the combined power requirements exceed the power capacity of the USB ports, the charger will automatically shut down to protect your device. Now this has two USB ports with a super high current power of 4 amp 5 volt DC. Charges most compatible electrical devices directly without an adapter. Tamper resistant shutters. You can use this to easily replace a standard duplex receptacle. You have your back and side wire for easy installation, and it is ETL listed. So there it is. Now when you install this at home or the office, you know where there's always a spot where you can charge your device. Now we also do have another version that's the 2.1 amp. This is the 4. This one will charge it faster, the other one not as fast, but they're both pretty quick. And there's a little bit of a price difference, but you might want to check that out. For a more detailed spec sheet and to order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com. Thanks, later.